Hi, it's Ron and Shane from CNC Service here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about servo drive repair. CNC has got into servo drive repair. We primarily stay with the Mitsubishi lines. And we're going to talk a little bit about what exactly is it we do and what do we get into the shop. Shane?
Well, we started doing our servo and spindle drive repair here in-house about a year ago, a little over a year ago. We hired a couple engineers that stay here and they do all the repair for us. We found that, when we were sending off servo drives and spindle drives and getting them back that, every once in a while you'd come across one that didn't necessarily get fixed all the way and you're having problems with it still. And another big thing that I found is that they weren't getting cleaned properly. And getting cleaned properly is paramount to a good functioning servo or spindle drive. So I've got a few drives here in front of me, and these two here on my left are older versions that we actually don't even do anymore, but because most of my newer ones are repaired and on the shelf waiting to exchange, I had this older one here, and you can see how dirty it is, and the fan is actually even locked up. Oh, I just broke a fan blade off, so that's actually a great thing that happened here on camera. When we do our repairs, we go through the whole drive, and we put it through a cleaning process, and then it'll come out looking a little bit more like this. So it's nice and clean. If there's a fan on it, it gets replaced every time. I don't care if that fan got replaced a month ago from a different company. I'm going to put a new one in it because I want to make 100% sure that when you get your servo drive or spindle drive back, that it is 100% functional. I also have here, if you hold that mic, I've got a MDS. This is the newer versions. This is a Mitsubishi. This is a C1 V2, so it's a dual drive. This has been fully gone through. You can't see the fans, but the fans have been replaced. It's been through a full cleaning process. As you can see, it looks like brand spanking new. And, we label it. We make sure that your warranty is covered. We make sure it's documented so that we know what got changed on it and when. And, if the power module's bad, we'll replace the power modules. We recap the whole thing. I mean, it's a fantastic redo. We want to make sure that our customers get the best bang for their buck. We also offer an exchange program that's the same price as our repair program. That way, if we have it on our shelf and we can send it to you and have you running the next day, we're going to do it at the same price it would have cost you to just send it in and get it repaired and take maybe a week.
Well, another thing I want to bring out right here is don't forget, just because your servos are running doesn't bring them up to the standards. Many of these drives you see are covered with oil. They've got fans that aren't operational. A lot of the Fanics will actually shut down if the fans aren't working. You may want to consider preventive maintenance. And we run a little program here that if you send your drives in, we'll give it a thorough cleaning. We'll do the minor caps on it. And fans, and we'll send it back to you, $700 a unit. We'll turn it around as quick as possible, and give us a try. That'll keep your machine running at its optimum.
One other thing I want to mention real quick is which actually really stands us out from the rest, is that the MDS, the MRS, like you said, we are specifically mainly Mitsubishi. We're looking to get into Akuma a little bit more, but we focus primarily on Mitsubishi. We actually have machines in our shop, and when we get done repairing these drives, they will get run on one of our machines in a daisy chain. Because, you can bench test a unit all day long and it might work. But as soon as you put it in that daisy chain, you might get something funky going on. So I want to make sure that when you get the drive, you plug it in and it works. So I'm going to put it in a machine. I'm going to run it for at least an hour and a half. If it's something that was intermittent, I'm going to run it way longer than that. And, we're going to make sure that this unit is 100% functional when it leaves our building.
Well, you heard it all. Here we are at CNC Machine Repair, Servo Drive Repair. Give us a call. Check out our website. We'll see you next time.